Many Americans are now canceling their vacations to the Dominican Republic as the number of tourists who died under mysterious circumstances rises to 7. Check out this Rolling Stone headline: "What the hell is going on in the Dominican Republic?" The latest death coming to light, the brother of TV personality Barbara Corcoran from Shark Tank. John Corcoran was found dead at a resort in April. It was ruled a heart attack, but there was no autopsy. Today, Barbara Corcoran said, "My brother had an existing heart condition. I am overwhelmed with sadness for the lost lives in the Dominican Republic, and my thoughts are with the families who have lost loved ones." Travel agents are reporting that half of their bookings to the Dominican Republic are being rebooked to other destinations, mainly in the Caribbean. One destination wedding involving 100 guests was canceled. Instead, they're holding the wedding in Jamaica. The crisis is getting worse by the day. This just released video of the shooting of baseball legend David Ortiz is putting a spotlight on violent crime there. A social media travel writer, Cora Smith, says she was sexually assaulted on a trip to the Dominican Republic last year. "They were violating me every way you can except being raped," she says. "It's not a safe country." The website iwaspoisoned.com has published dozens of complaints from U.S. tourists who say they became violently ill at Dominican Republic resorts. CBS News travel editor Peter Greenberg says he still considers the Dominican Republic safe despite the spate of disturbing incidents. And when I went there last week, I found the beaches to be exquisite.
People need to embrace common sense here and not fear.
There is speculation that some of the deaths may be caused by cleaning products used in hotel rooms.
We do know that it's toxic, and that in combination with somebody maybe with a pre-existing condition or somebody who's taking medication could result in a violent medical episode in which acute respiratory failure occurs, and this may have been misdiagnosed as a heart attack.
The Dominican government says the resorts are safe. It has hired a crisis management team to try to help fix the nation's tarnished image. More than 6 million people visit the DR every year, about half of them from the States.